Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make or fried some or cook spicy chicken bites. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need soy sauce, ketchup, sriracha, and then chili powder, cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, and then chilies, garlic, onions. That's for the sauce here. And then this one I add black pepper, salt, flour, cornstarch, and breadcrumbs. Okay, we're gonna fry that chicken bites first. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so it's done frying this one. Okay, so we're gonna sit aside first. That's our chicken bites, and we're gonna make it spicy with the sauce. Okay, so butter also. 2 tablespoons of butter. Onion. The chilies. Chili flakes, black pepper, ketchup, okay, sriracha also, 2 tablespoons of sriracha. It's spicy already. Spicy, but it's yummy. Oh my god. This is it. Okay. So we're gonna add the chicken bites. Spicy chicken bites. And it's really spicy. That's our spicy chicken bites. Oh, it's super yummy, guys, and it's done. Okay, time. Okay, guys, adjust this a little because this one is spicy. Okay. That's yummy. The chicken is very crunchy and it's tasty, but it's super spicy now. I already feel it. I'm gonna drink water after I eat this one. Okay. It's super yummy, guys. So, that's our chicken, spicy chicken bites. It's super yummy. It's very quick. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye, spicy chicken bites.